Hi, my name's Matthew Meadows. I'm the founder of a company called Get Speedback, part of FAU Tech Runway's Venture Class 8. Before going into the I-Corps program, we didn't really have the best understanding of our initial target market. But as a result of conducting so many interviews, we really had a very good understanding of not only what industry, company size, or company type we should be targeting, but also the individual within the business that we should be looking to speak to. On top of that, we had a very good understanding of the problems of theirs that we should be looking to solve. Now, with this newfound knowledge, we're doing a really great job in terms of converting sales, and we're actually looking to scale our sales process over the next few weeks. I would fully recommend any entrepreneurs or other businesses participate in the program if they can.
Hello, my name is Paris Prince, a student at FAU High School and majoring in neuroscience. Currently, I am working on a product to support the accessibility of hand hygiene. Before the I-Corps process, I thought my primary customers were those of the hand sanitizer industries. However, I came to the quick realization that this was not true. I made a product pivot, and the new product is now applicable to various organizations such as UNICEF. Without the I-Corps process, I would have wasted so much time and resources preparing for a product that did not strongly apply to an organization. I've learned that in order to know where you are going, you need to know where you're at. And this is what the I-Corps process helps you with. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Peng. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Civil, Environmental, and Geomatics Engineering at Florida Atlantic University. I would like to share my experience in NSF I-Corps training. Our product was a solar water distillation system, which can produce potable water from seawater, untreated surface water, and municipal wastewater. We thought our potential customers were boat owners and the residents impacted by natural disasters. However, after the training in I-Corps, we learned that boat owners had onboard reverse osmosis and freshwater tank to solve their water problems. The residents living in natural disaster impacted areas tend to use bottled water. They have access to bottled water provided by FEMA. Thus, our next group of potential customers would be the residents living in isolated areas. Thank you for watching.